Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a different video today, something that is not planner related, surprisingly enough. I'm traveling in I leave Friday for a few days, so I wanted to shoot a couple of videos between now and then because I don't have like a bajillion other things I need to get done, but whatever. Procrastination is the word of the day. So, first things first, excuse my nails. I just dyed my hair with red henna, so they are incredibly stained. And if you remember a couple of videos back, did I post that video? Oh no, false nails. Yeah, those are gonna be on. So, but these like awesome black ones, because you know it's Halloween and there's a Halloween party. Anyway, I digress. So I thought, since I'm flying, that I would do a video on what I'm taking in my liquids, because you know there's not like a bajillion of them out there, but hey, there's always, you know, room for one more. This bag is not focusing, an air quart bag, híjole, from flanabags.com. Oh my gosh, can't speak today. It is TSA approved. It's a quart size. I can't say that. That's so odd. I can't say that word today. It's a quart size bag. Okay, it's within regulation. Blah, 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 blah. I bought it, I don't know how long ago, 3 years ago, something like that. It's sturdy. This zipper is super freaking sturdy, and this plastic is nice quality, kind of thick, and has a little give to it, and it's one of those flat bottom ones. So, yeah. I don't know how much I paid for it, totally worth the price. I'm gonna link it below, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm gonna show you what I'm packing in here real quick, because everybody is nosy about that stuff, and we all need to know. First things first, Downy wrinkle spray. Yes, must have. Secondly, Trader Joe's grapefruit and lemon hand sanitizer. Are you focusing? Let's see. Are you focusing right there? Oh, there we go. This stuff smells really good. I have the Dr. Bronner lavender one. Same bottle, same. I hate this smell. Oh, this one is like fresh and definitely grapefruit. These little containers I got from Daiso. They were $1.50 maybe for the set. I don't know. Shampoo and conditioner, because I am very picky. Yes, I know hotels give you shampoo and conditioner. However, as I've mentioned before, I follow the curly girl method, so I can't use regular shampoo and conditioner. These are my go-tos. Well, not this one. This one I don't really like, but it's what I had on hand. And I think it's the Noche Mother's Naturals pink one. I don't like it. And this is Sally's GVP conditioning balm. It's so good and it smells fantastic, and you only need very, very little of it. Why am I taking so much? Simple. My best friend who I'm rooming with is recovering from breast cancer, and her hair is coming in curly, so you know I gotta get in there. Hair gel, same thing. I only use, well, no, actually I use a ton of hair gel, so I needed that. Also from Daiso, this is Camille Rose lavender gel, which I know it's crazy because I just said I didn't like the Dr. Bronner's lavender hand sanitizer, yet this is lavender hair gel, but it doesn't smell like lavender. Good stuff. Also, curly girl method approved. Excuse me. More of the Daiso little thingies. I love these. They're just regular flip top, but I like the size because they're not those giant ones that you get when you buy like a travel size bag. These are like the perfect size. They're much, much smaller. So lotion and body wash, Nivea Orchid something, and this is Method, that brand from Target, Method body wash, the pink one. I don't know, sweet peony or some stuff like that. I don't know. Smells delicious. This might seem redundant, but there's a reason. Why do I have things in a Ziploc bag that are going inside a plastic bag? I'll tell you why. I pack things in these little containers that I get from like Amazon. However, they're not leak proof. I've had oils, because I put face oils in these too, spill out all over the inside of this. So instead of doing that, I have learned my lesson. I have foundations, both are NARS, different foundations, different purposes. I have eye cream SPF, because you gotta always have your SPF. I have primer. I have different gel because I do have acne, or I'm acne prone, and it just kills everything within like a day or two. That is a Sephora brand overnight mask that I am so sorry they discontinued, yet I am so glad I have a backup of. This is my setting spray. I decanted some of my Kula SPF 30, whatever. This is an herbivore emerald oil. It's CBD oil. Oh my god, this stuff is fantastic. As soon as I run out of this, I'm buying the full size. That's all I'm saying. Here I have, oh, Jesus, hair balm, because I put that under my gel. It's the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Balm. Love it. Face wash. I know you're wondering why so little. This particular face wash is actually NARS, and you literally dip your finger, get a little bit of your fingertip, get it wet, and that's all you need for your entire face. It's fantastic. What's up here? Oh, this is that Sunday Skin Jet Lag Mask. You better believe I'm taking it. So, this also goes in here. Because you know, you gotta do the 3-1-1, so I can't have any of this anywhere else. Plenty of room. Moisturizer. This is the Drunk Elephant Protini. This is part of that birthday set that they were giving out at Sephora. And the reason I'm taking the big one is because my friend's skin is really dry. Hello, Cancer. So I kind of want her to try this. A lot of it. Probably give it to her too. Just, I don't know, because I want to like pamper her skin. It's a thing. It's a mom thing. Speaking of mom things, y'all, Tide to go. I can't tell you how many times I have gone to Starbucks and spilled coffee on my shirt, and this thing has been a lifesaver. Everybody should have one. I actually carry one in my purse too. These are all of my other randoms. I have a toothpaste in there. I mean, I could probably put it somewhere else, like in my regular toiletries bag, but whatever, it's in here. Mascara. Okay, call me crazy, but this is the Essence, what is it called? Princess Lash or something. This thing is like $3, $4. Oh my god, it's so good. And I have mascaras from different brands. I've gone all the way up to YSL, and this. I love that. Where do I have room? Oh, back here. Let's see what else I have. I have one of these Fenty Beauty lip balms, or lip glosses, whatever they're called. I have a Burberry liquid lipstick. This is actually for my costume, because as I said, costume party. This is a brow gel. I have a travel size Benefit, so I'm actually gonna swap that out for the room. A nail glue. Hello, like I said, fake nails. So gotta have that. House of Lashes lash glue. Lorac eye primer. Bite Agave lip mask. And then I also have a lip scrub and a lip balm, which I'm gonna take because maybe my friend will let you use it. Lastly, this baby. Let me see if I can get it to focus. This is a perfumed oil from a boutique in San Antonio, Texas. A friend of mine, an author I talked to, she kept talking about it and saying how she always got compliments and stuff. And I'm like, well, what's it smell like? She says, it's got amber in it. I'm a sucker for amber. It's one of my favorite scents. So I said, okay. I order it. This is the small size. Might have been like 20 bucks. It is the sexiest perfume ever. I can't even tell you guys. It is like deep and kind of dark, but not like opium kind of dark. It's not fruity, it's not flowery, it's like rich. Like, oh, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like classy and sophisticated. It's freaking delicious. And as I said, it's an oil, a perfume oil. So rollerball, I wear this all the time. I have a bunch of perfumes I don't wear now because of that one. So that is it for my liquids. And now it's time to see if I can zip this thing up, because sometimes it's hard, but I will. I may just have to rearrange some things. So anyways, there you have it. This is my giant ass bag. Not bag, but I just have a lot of stuff in here. And it all goes with me because I need it all. See, even the zipper is like... And yes, it is TSA approved, and yes, I've never had... Well, I mean, no. This is just giving me issues. I've never had problems with it. Whatever. Going through security or anything. They just kind of flip it over sometimes if they're not in a hurry. But there you go. And I'm carrying just a regular suitcase carry-on, and then my personal bag is a Dagny Dover medium linen carry-on. So this will probably be in there because it's just easier to get it in and out. Piece of cake. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Now I'm really frustrated because I really want to get this thing closed. So as soon as I get it closed, that'll be my thumbnail. So you'll see that it does close. Anyways, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? See? This is what I'm gonna do. Because it's all about positioning. Maybe. Watch me as I struggle closing this stupid thing. Huh, there you go. See? All closed and tucked in. And the zipper is not under a lot. I mean, it's under stress, but it's not pulling from here. It's like, you guys, you have no idea how good this bag is. It's fantastic. So, anyways, there you go. My liquids for TSA. I'll come back and I'll let you know if it worked or not. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes because I'm about to film another video. But this one is done. Bye.